In this video, I'm going to teach how to mask shadows in Photoshop. Follow my every step. In first step, select the main subject, go to menu bar, and click the select option and click the subject. Wait some time. Selected the subject. Second step, now create a mask. Go to the layer panel bar, select the main image layer, and click the mask option. Now, created a mask. In third step, copy the masking layer and change this layer to blend the mood. And select the linear burn filter. Invert the masking and press Ctrl+I. Today we are easily learning mask shadows in Photoshop. Now, look here. Look here. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Like, comment, subscribe and share this with your friends.